Welcome, everyone, to today's episode of our podcast. I'm thrilled to dive into a fascinating topic that promises to be incredibly relevant for anyone interested in the fast-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're breaking down the key insights from a new book titled AI Engineering by Huyen. So, if you're excited about leveraging the power of AI in your projects, this one's for you. Now let's start with a basic overview. The book presents a framework for adapting foundation models, think large language models and multimodal models, specifically to real-world problems. It's really transforming the perception of AI, shifting it from a niche skill set into something accessible for everyone. How neat is that? The author mentions that this isn't a tutorial book filled with lines of code, but rather a strategic guide. This means it covers what you need to know to effectively deploy AI in practical scenarios. And trust me, it's packed with thought-provoking questions. For example, have you ever found yourself wondering when you should actually build an AI application? Or maybe you've faced the notorious issue of AI hallucinations, which are pretty much when an AI system confidently generates incorrect information. It raises the question, how do we detect and mitigate these hallucinations? That's a topic I think many listeners will want to consider. Speaking of questions, the book encourages a lot of self-reflection on what we might need to consider before jumping into AI engineering. Questions like, what are the best practices for prompt engineering? Or, when is it not advisable to fine-tune a model? These are pivotal for anyone trying to integrate AI into their workflow. I love how the author emphasizes not just the process, but also provides real-world case studies as illustrative examples. It makes the complex content much more relatable. Huyen draws on her decade of experience working with machine learning systems, creating a bridge between theoretical knowledge and practical application. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the maze of AI tools and methods. Now, for some of you out there who might be a bit overwhelmed by all the emerging AI tech, fear not. This book comes with resources like prompt examples and tools that really streamline the development process. I mean, wouldn't it be great if there's a way to speed up how quickly we can get our AI models to produce results without compromising quality? And it doesn't stop there. There's an impressive attention to detail on safety and efficiency. For instance, understanding how to validate data quality or building a feedback loop for continuous improvement, these are crucial for delivering a robust AI application. So let's pause for a moment. I want to throw a question your way. Have you ever thought about collaboration between technical teams when developing AI products? Chip suggests that this book not only serves engineers, but also product managers and even tool developers. It looks at how to bridge gaps across different roles within organizations to foster a smoother workflow. I think that's something we all can relate to. Making teamwork more effective is always a win. As we wind down, I want to reflect on the wealth of knowledge Chip has provided through her insights in AI engineering. This book is a treasure trove for those wanting to understand the nuts and bolts of AI application development. From dealing with hallucinations to implementing robust models, it's all about making AI systems work for us in the most efficient way possible. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's consider one last thought. With AI's capabilities expanding daily, how can we, as individuals or organizations, make strategic choices that ensure our projects stand on solid ground? Why not think about how you can apply some of the lessons from this book in your own AI journey? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you're looking to dive